Good morning, students. Today I am teaching one important question of board. This is very important. अगर सोच लो 10 टाइम्स के पेपर में 6 टाइम्स 7 टाइम्स तो ये आता ही आता है. ठीक है, तो क्वेश्चन क्या है? दिस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज बीपीटी बाइपर्क्यूशन थ्योरम. इफ ए लाइन drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, suppose ABC is a triangle and one side, that is D is parallel to the, लिखा हुआ है triangle intersecting the two sides, then the divides two sides in the same ratio. This is the third line, third side of a triangle, and this DE is parallel to BC. In the question given that D is the midpoint of BC AB and E is the midpoint of EAC, and two thing is given and DE is parallel to BC. Given that क्या है हमारे पास कि D is midpoint of AB and E is midpoint of AC and DE parallel to BC. It is given. That. And we have to prove that. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is the question. Is that clear? This is given and we have to find out AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Okay. We join BE and DC and draw perpendicular EF and DG. DEF perpendicular to AD and draw EF perpendicular to AD and DG perpendicular to AE. यहां तक हमें लिख देना है. समझ में आया? तो दिस इज द साइन ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर. We have to prove AD by DB and AE by EC. AD, where is AD? Is it visible? AD, this is AD. AD in this triangle. AD in triangle ADE. Okay, so we will AD मुझे चाहिए, तो मैं क्या करूंगी? एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ADE and area. अब DB, where is DB? DB is in this triangle, so we will take this triangle DB. तो area of triangle DBE. Is that clear? What is the area of triangle? Formula: half into base AD into height. Height means perpendicular distance EF. Divide half into base of this triangle, that is DB and height of this triangle is also EF. Why EF? Suppose there is a triangle. Just watch it. Suppose this is a triangle. This is a triangle. Suppose A, B, C, this is the triangle. And what will be the perpendicular distance? Perpendicular distance, this will perpendicular distance, right? Triangle is this, but height perpendicular distance may be outside from the triangle. In this case, this is the triangle DBE, but perpendicular distance outside the triangle, just like it. Okay. Cancel half and half cancel, EF and EF cancel, and it become AD by DB, right? This is equation 1. Everything is clear? Is there any doubt? Everything is clear? Okay. I will erase this part because I have to write and there is no space. Another case, in triangle, we will take in triangle from this side. From this side we have to take AE by EC. AE is triangle in ADE and EC is triangle in EBC. So area of triangle ADE by area of triangle EDC. What will become? Half into base of this triangle AE, base, and height is, we will take height, this height we will take, right? फर्स्ट टाइम इस साइड से लिया था, सेकेंड टाइम इस टाइम लेंगे क्या? DG एंड हाफ इंटू बेस इज EC एंड DG, सेम हाइट है DG, हाफ कैंसिल, DG कैंसिल, एंड इट इज AE by EC. Equation second. Now the triangle DEC and DBE become same. EDC and DBE, area of triangle DBE and area of triangle DEC DBE equal to the area of triangle DEC. Why? Region, both the triangle on same base. This is the base DE, same base and within same parallel lines. Okay, so equation 1 equating equation 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2 इक्वल हो जाएगा क्योंकि ये भी EDC और ये भी DBE दोनों इक्वल है. Equating equation 1 and 2. You must write this reason why we will equating both the equation, because this term and this term become equal. Why equal? Because these are the triangles within the same parallel lines and having the same base. So AE by EC equal to AD by DB. Proved. This is theorem. This is known as the BPT theorem and this is very important. And comma to full stop पूरा रट्टा मार लोगे क्योंकि ये आना ही आना है. ओके, थैंक यू. और कंटिन्यूसली मेरे चैनल को देखते रहो. मैं सारा बोर्ड का प्रिपरेशन के लिए पूरा सारा डिटेल सारे सिलेबस में दे रही हूँ. इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन एंड 1 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन जनरली शॉर्ट्स पे आपको मिलेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू.